love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you.
Okay, so this wig is 32 inches. Did I really just take the time to curl it? Yes, I did. So let me go ahead and finish. Darn, I thought I just had this front piece. Let me just go ahead and finish this side, and then I will wrap this up and come back and tell you guys all the details about this hair. Okay, so not only is this hair 32 inches, but I literally just took the time to go in and curl this hair, and to my surprise, before I was even done with this side already started dropping. So the fact that this hair does not hold a curl very well is very disappointing. So we're just gonna go ahead and have to get straight into the cons, just because that's the biggest one, because this is body wave texture. If it doesn't curl, that doesn't really make sense to get it, especially considering the price point, which I'll get to that in a moment. So let me go ahead and back up just a little bit. So this hair is from Nadula Hair, and this is what their packaging looks like. I actually saved it this time just in case you guys are not familiar with it. This is what it's looked like for years. And inside, they were nice enough to give some goodies. So I've noticed a lot of the hair companies been giving out like these little satin robes lately, and then of course like their usual wig caps, eyelashes, and stuff like that inside the little mesh bag. Oh, and I didn't see that there also is one of their edge bands with their logo on it. So yeah, that's everything that came with the packaging. In terms of delivery, it's usually like 4 to 5 days to get to me over here on the West Coast, so that's not bad at all. This is their 5x5 HD lace closure wig. You guys know I'm all into closures now, so you guys will be seeing these more often. I'll still have some frontal videos here and there, but mainly strictly closures just because that's what I prefer. But this wig is glueless. I just used the even lace spread. Like I mentioned, this hair is 32 inches. I think the longest length that you can get it in is 40 inches, so it pretty much gets all the way up there. Now 32 inches, and then the density on it is 180% density. Normally if I was getting something like over 28 inches, I would typically get like 200% density, but this time I just got 180, and it's still pretty full, so there's not really issues there, to my surprise. So that is one of the good things about this hair, is you don't have to feel obligated to get the 200 or the 250% density, because the 180 on its own is still nice and full from the root to the tip. So for a 180% density 32 inch 5x5 HD lace closure wig, it is $695.06. Now, when I was originally communicating with this hair company, I didn't really go to the website to really look at that price. I think they just said, hey, we want to send you this and this length, and I was like, okay. However, this is a very expensive wig. I won't even say very expensive. This wig is up there. Now, this video is sponsored, so they were nice enough to send this to me, but me personally, would I ever pay that much for a wig? Absolutely not. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I wish I would have seen that sooner. I probably wouldn't have agreed to do the collaboration, just because I know, like, who is really gonna pay that much in today's society for a wig? I mean, unless you got it like that, that's cool, but the average person, that's a little bit of a stretch. It's unfortunate that this wig is not affordable at all. I wish, like I said, I would have kind of did my research and actually looked up the price prior to accepting the collaboration, because I probably would have declined just because of the price point. I know that's not feasible for everyone, so don't hate me. But however, you guys, I do have a full website link to all of my favorite affordable AliExpress wigs, Amazon wigs that you can find on my Amazon storefront. I will go ahead and link both of those down below so you guys can browse through those, because those are going to be more better options in terms of it being affordable. So anyway, back to this video. Really, all that I can say is that the lace on the hair is good, which their lace is never really bad anyway. The length is accurate, not too many flyaway hairs, not a crazy amount of shedding. I did get a little bit of tangling when I was blow drying this hair, just because it is a longer length, so it did kind of snag on me just a few times, which that's to be expected. That's not anything out of the normal, especially for something this length. So just know that if you get this hair in an even longer length, you will get a little bit of like tangles or snags here and there. Other than that, the hair is extremely soft. It's easy for me to run my fingers through. The luster and shine on it is great. I did not dye this wig jet black, even though that's kind of what it's looking like on camera. I was really looking forward to doing some nice wand curls with this hair, and they just didn't last. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but it's kind of like, if it doesn't curl, then what's the point? Especially for that price, it's like you might as well get a shorter length wig or get another wig elsewhere. Now, I've had their body wave wigs before and it held a curl. So what I'm thinking is, because this wig is 32 inches, maybe that plays a role in it not being able to hold a curl all that well. That could very much be true, because from my experience with their body wave wigs, I haven't had any problems. So I won't say it's the hair company. I think it's the length. You guys kind of have to let me know. Do wigs like over 30 inches typically tend to hold a curl or not? I don't hate the wig. It's not like I'm going to throw it out or anything. It's just from now on, I know that I can only wear this wig with some really, really loose curls as opposed to tighter curls. And I will more than likely continue to wear this wig, but where it's straightened, I'm sure it will press out beautifully, because I've had their straight hair before and I've also straightened their body wave hair before. So I don't expect to come across any issues there with it like not getting bone straight. So yeah, like I said, if you guys are looking for more affordable wig options, make sure you check my description box out. I'm just gonna keep this short, simple, and sweet, because I really don't have too much to say about this particular wig or this wig install. I'm back making videos, you guys. I'm not gonna keep being inconsistent, so just bear with me. I will have some more hauls coming for you guys, more hair videos, and some other content that I do want to introduce here on my channel. So I'm hoping that you guys, continue to support me. I do appreciate all of you guys taking the time out to watch this video, and I will see you guys next time.